Let's be honest, if you are working with a team, you already know how messy collaboration can get. Files scattered across devices, assets lost in DMs, multiple versions floating around, and no one knows which one is final. Sounds familiar, right? Now, imagine having one single workspace where your entire team can create together, stay organized, and manage every project without the chaos. Well, that's exactly what the Higgsfield Team Plan is built for. In this video, I will show you everything you need to know about the new Higgsfield Team Plan. How to set up it, invite your teammates, create shared folders, manage assets, track uses, and even automate your credits. Basically, by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to run your creative team like a pro, all inside one powerful GenAI workspace. So make sure you watch till the end because I will also share a few pro tips along the way that can save you tons of time and help your team work 10x faster on Higgsfield. Before we dive into the team plan setup, let me quickly explain what Higgsfield actually is, just in case you are hearing about it for the first time. Higgsfield is one of the fastest growing GenAI video platforms in the world, used by millions of creators, marketers, and teams. It lets you create stunning AI-generated videos, visuals, and creative assets in just a few clicks. No complicated tools, no heavy editing software, just pure creativity powered by AI. New features are added almost every week, and creators are going viral using its AI tools. Whether you are making product videos, concept visuals, or story-driven content, Higgsfield makes the whole process incredibly smooth and efficient. And now, with the new team plan, Higgsfield takes collaboration to next level. Instead of sharing links or sending files manually, your entire team can work together in one shared workspace, generating, organizing, and managing every project in sync. If you haven't tried it yet, I have added the official Higgsfield link in the description below so you can explore the platform and sign up directly. Alright, now that you know what Higgsfield is all about, let's jump straight into how you can set up your team plan workspace and start collaborating like a pro. To upgrade to the team plan, first head over to the pricing section on the Higgsfield website. Here you will notice two main options, individual and team. The individual plan is perfect if you usually work solo, but if you collaborate with a team, the team plan is definitely the better choice. It's designed specifically for creators, production teams, and agencies who work together and want to stay organized in one shared space. Now, under the theme section, you will see two sub-options, the team plan and the enterprise plan. The enterprise plan is ideal for large organizations, but in our case, we will focus on the team plan. One quick tip here, if you switch the pricing to annual, you will actually see a price drop, so you can save quite a bit in the long run. After that, simply choose how many seats you need for your workspace. The team plan allows between 5 and 15 members. So depending on your team size, you can adjust this number easily. Once that's done, proceed with the payment and your account will automatically upgrade to the team plan. After the upgrade, Higgsfield will ask you to name your workspace. You can call it anything you like. It can be your brand name. This name will appear across your shared workspace, so pick something your team can easily identify. Next, you will be able to invite your teammates. Just enter their email addresses and invitations will be sent directly to their inboxes. It's a very straightforward process, no complicated steps or verification delays. Within seconds, your team members can join and start collaborating inside the same workspace. Once you are inside the team dashboard, you will also find the invite and seats section. Here you can see how many members are currently added, how many seats are still available, and the overall status of your workspace. Under the Team Members tab, you will find all the details of each member, like their email IDs, who is the owner, and who are the members. This structure makes it very clear who manages what. For example, the owner has full control over workspace settings, billing, and member management, while members can focus on creating, organizing, and generating AI assets. It's a clean setup that keeps everything transparent and well managed, something that's often missing in other collaborative AI tools. Now that our workspace is ready, the next step is to bring our teammates on board. Because what's a team plan without the team, right? Let me show you exactly how you can invite new members and get everyone working together inside the same workspace. So inviting a new teammate inside your workspace is actually very simple. On your team dashboard, you will find an option that says Invite via email. Here, you just need to enter the email ID of your teammate. Make sure it's the same email they use for their Higgsfield account. Once you have typed in, just click the Invite button. You will immediately see a confirmation message that says Member invited successfully. That means the invitation has been sent, and if you check the member list, the person you just invited will appear with a pending status. Now let's switch over to the teammate side and see what happened next. If I open the email inbox of the person I just invited, you can see that there is an official invitation email from Higgsfield. The subject says something like invitation to join this workspace. All your teammate has to do is click the join the team button inside that email. Once they accept the invitation, they will automatically be added to your workspace. If I refresh the team dashboard now, you can see that the status of the teammate has changed from pending to action. That means the person is now officially part of your workspace and can start collaborating right away. So this is how easy it is to invite any teammate into your workspace. No long forms, no extra approvals. Just send an invite, they click to join, and they are in. Now, one important thing to understand, your personal account and your team workspace account are completely separate. These separations keep your personal projects private and your team projects organized. You can easily switch between the two whenever you want. To do that, look at the top right corner of your screen. You will see an option to switch between personal and team workspace. When I click here, you can see my personal account. And with one more click, I can move straight into my team workspace. This makes it super convenient. You can manage your own experiments or personal creations separately while still collaborating with your team in a clean, structured workspace. Now, let me show you how you can create a new folder inside your workspace. The folder you create here will actually be a shared folder, which means every member of your team will automatically have access to it. This is really helpful when you are working on projects together and need to share assets like images or videos with everyone in one place. So first, you need to click on your profile icon and from there, go to Browse Assets. Once you are there, on the left hand side, you will see two sections, shared folders and private folders. Now, shared folders are accessible to your entire team. Anything you save there can be viewed and used by all your team members. On the other hand, private folders are only visible to you, perfect for keeping your personal assets or drafts separate. To create a new folder, simply click on the plus icon beside it, and that's it, your new folder is ready. Now, you just have to give it a name. For example, I will name this one thumbnail folder. Next, click on the three dots next to your folder name. Here you will find different options like edit, delete, etc. You will also see an option called share and save. Once you click on that, you will notice that these folders access will automatically be available to all your team members. After enabling sharing and clicking on save, your folder becomes a shared folder. Now, anything you save inside this folder, whether it's images, videos, or any other assets, will be visible to everyone in your team. Now, let me show you how you can upload or move any assets into your folder. This could be anything, images, videos, or other media files that you want your team to access. So, for example, let's say I want to move some images into the folder I just created. All I need to do is select the images I want to move. Once you select them, you will notice a few options appear at the bottom of your screen, such as how many assets you have selected, along with options like download, publish, and add to folder. Simply click on add to folder and a small window will appear showing you all your available folders, both shared and private. Now, since I want to move these images into my shared folder, I will choose the thumbnail folder that we just created. As soon as I select it, all the chosen images will automatically move into that folder. It's that simple. You can do the same thing with videos as well. Just go to your videos section, select the file you want to move, click add to folder and choose your shared folder. Within seconds, your video will be transferred successfully. And here is another quick tip. You don't even have to go through the menu if you don't want to. You can simply drag and drop any asset directly into a folder. Just drag the file and drop into the folder where you want to move it. Super easy and convenient. Lastly, you can also mark any important asset as a favorite. This helps you quickly access your most used images or videos without searching through folders every time. Now, if you head over to the team section, you will get a complete overview of how your workspace is performing. Here you can easily check your credit balance, see how many credits are remaining, and track exactly where those credits are being used. This is especially useful if you are managing multiple projects or running several AI generations every day. It helps you plan better and avoid any workflow interruptions. Below that, you will find a detailed breakdown of your team members' activity. Under the Users tab, Higgsfield gives you clear insights into your team's overall productivity. Things like the total number of jobs completed, credits spent, and which tools or models were used the most. It's almost like a built-in performance dashboard for your creative team. You will even see an individual level breakdown, showing how many credits each team member has used and how many generations or tasks they have completed. This is really helpful if you want to understand your team's workload or optimize your credit uses. And if you need to share this data with clients or team leads, you can easily download it as a CSV file for detailed reporting and analysis. Next, head over to the billing section, where you can view your past invoices and payment history. Under settings, you can rename your workspace, and here you can enable auto top up. I highly recommend turning on auto top up. It automatically refills your credits whenever your balance runs low, so your ongoing projects never get delayed in the middle of production. So that's everything you need to know about the Higgsfield Team Plan. How to set it up, invite teammates, organize your assets, and manage your entire creative workflow in one shared workspace. If you are someone who collaborates with a team, whether you are running a creative agency, managing a content studio, or working with freelancers, this plan can literally save you hours every single week. No more massive folders, no more lost files, and no more back and forth in DMs. Everything stays synced, organized, and accessible for everyone. And the best part, you can start using it right now. I have added the official Higgsfield link in the description below. Go check it out and experience the team plan for yourself. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon, because I will be sharing more tutorials, tools, and hidden gems like this to help you level up your creative workflow. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.